morning everyone, this is Aman from Berwick Mitsubishi. We're located at 20-32 Kangan Drive, Berwick. Today it's my absolute pleasure to show you guys this beautiful 2018 Holden Commodore RS automatic. In today's video I'm going to show you guys the interior and the exterior of this vehicle and tell you guys a bit about ourselves and how we do business at Berwick Mitsubishi. At the front we have this beautiful chrome under grille. We have these nice headlights. We have our front sensors. This car is in very good condition for the age of the car. Front tire looks very healthy. A few small scratches on the wheels. The color of this car is cosmic gray. Rear tire looks healthy. A few scratches on the wheel as well. At the back we have our reverse camera as well as reverse sensors. We have twin exhausts, beautiful spoiler that's attached to the boot. Rear tire looks healthy. The wheels is in good condition as well. Front tire looks healthy too. A few small scratches on the wheels. Guys, here at Berwick Mitsubishi we offer extended warranty, tint, dash cam, paint protection on all our vehicles. So if you guys need one of these, please make sure when you come in you talk to our pre-delivery manager, Daniel D'Souza, and he can help you guys with whatever you need. And if you guys need finance, please make sure when you come in, you talk to Julie or Samira. They have over 20 years of combined experience between them. This car is keyless entry. The seats are cloth seats. Back seats are in good condition as well. Front seats is in good condition. Automatic seats, as you can see. This car is push button start. Automatic mirrors, blind spot mirrors, has 2 keys and service book, lane departure, front collision alert. The inside of the car is in very good condition too. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.